Doesn't want to participate today, I guess. Oh well. But hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Worldofzach here. I'm back for another video. And I know y'all probably judging the scalp or whatever, the little hairline she look a little funny, okay? I know. But it's a hair video. I got my Got To Be spray and everything like that, you know, intact on hand and everything. I'm ready to put this wig on. But I wanted to just show you guys like me applying my wig and finessing her, slaying her real quick, and how easy it is to slay this wig. And this is going to be the orange unit, the new orange unit. I believe these are new from the Sapphire wigs like collection or whatever they have on Amazon. I don't know, collection on Amazon, I guess that's how you say it, but it's Sapphire Wigs Company. They are on Instagram. I'll post their Instagram right here, and also they'll be linked down below in the description box. I have done 2 reviews for them, but at this point I did a yellow hair review, which y'all really enjoyed. It got really a lot of good feedback. Good amount of views. I did the red hair, which had like great feedback. The red hair was great. So I'm gonna go ahead and say now that the orange is by far my favorite, even though she look a little she look a little rough right now, maybe a little bit rough, but she's super cute. The orange is just so, oh my god, y'all, against this meddling like ginger everything like that, you know, gender bender. Hello, yes, I'm a gender bender up in this thing, but it's peace. I'm about to get hot and bothered real quick because I'm over here talking about gender bender, and I haven't even checked to see if y'all subscribed yet. If you haven't already subscribed, then go ahead and please go ahead and click that subscription button down below. Make sure that you turn the notification button on. Like, I'm gonna have a picture here so y'all know what to do. Like, if you've been here already, if y'all are part of the whole Worldofzach family, then you already know what's coming up. The picture gonna be here or somewhere over here. I like still don't know to this day where the picture gonna be at. It's just gonna be here somewhere, okay? Somewhere here. It's greatly appreciated. It's super easy to go ahead and subscribe, you know, hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. Give this video a big thumbs up, share with somebody and whatnot. Leave a cute comment and stuff like that. Follow me on Instagram so you can see cute pictures and stuff like that. Like the picture I posted here. Hopefully I take some cute pictures, but hopefully. I already did something because I wore this unit out on Pride and it was crazy. It got such good feedback. This one dude in the club was like raving over her or whatever, but yeah, so this is the unit. Before I put her on, my glue probably dropped off my head, but you know, we still gonna make finesse her and look cute. Don't judge me. Just don't judge me. Just please don't judge me if I don't do the best application. Just please. Thank you. I appreciate it. I love you. So as you can see, she has like 3 combs right there. The lace here, like this little piece. I want to say what that's like maybe like 2.5 inches or so of lace that you get to play around with. And I don't really mess with too much because I just do like a flip over or whatever. But for this look, I'm gonna show y'all center part. I'm gonna show y'all some little stuff or whatever. I'm gonna get real cute for y'all. But yeah, so this is her, what she looks like. I want to say this is about maybe 12 inches or so. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply her for y'all and then let y'all know what I think of her real quick. But y'all gonna know. Okay, y'all gonna know. Okay, I look super disco, especially with these earrings, but the earrings are super cute anyway. But yeah, so you guys, this is the hair right here. As you can see, like through the application, everything like that, and me finessing her to get right here, this is what she looks like. Like, yes, come on, ginger, tangerine vibes. Tiana Taylor, SZA, like all the girls who did orange hair before, like, hey, how y'all doing? What's up? Can I join the gang now? What's good? Hi. Like, this hair is so bomb, so popping, and like, for real, this is no joke synthetic hair. This is like 100% like synthetic AF. You can see the waves, the layers in it, the way that this hair is cut in it, the way that the hair is cut and such. But the front layer, I will have to admit, like my homegirl Julia, my girl Julia, she did some gang stuff and cut it up a little bit, like trimmed it up a little bit front so it can frame my face perfectly. But before it was like all even, but it was still so pretty. This is the part that it comes with. I didn't do anything to it. I didn't pluck or anything like that. I didn't add any baby hairs. So this is honestly just what it looks like popped on my head. And no joke, people out in public literally like didn't think it was my hair, but you know, like they said it looked natural, looked real. So taking their word for it, honey, they said it all real, so I say it looks real. All right. And let me go ahead and show you the back. This is what the back looks like. Hopefully I brushed the back. It's probably not really brushed, but you know, so don't judge me. But I mean, you can see the back is full. There's no track showing or anything like that. It's laying down pretty flat. It's not doing anything too crazy. I probably should just brush the back of my head before I turn it around, but we all friends here. We gang up in here. You know, we real cute and we real comfortable and stuff like that. But this is what she looks like. Like you guys see, there's so much body. There's so much flow. Ooh, I almost ripped my earring out, honey. But you can see like there's so much body. It flows really nicely. Super pretty. Like I can run my fingers through it. Like it's like tangles in it, but not real like tangles. It doesn't get knotted, matted, or anything like that. I wore this out Saturday to Pride, and I was sweating like crazy and everything like that. And I got home, and the back was kind of like matted up because sweating, your human hair would do that too. I literally just brushed it, and it came right out, and it got right back to this form. So I think that's pretty incredible, and no joke. So let me go ahead and tell you about the specs on this. So this unit right here is about, I'm pretty sure it's $39.90. I want to say this is how much it costs. Of course, like the company actually sent this to me, which I'm so appreciative for. Thank you, Sapphire Wigs. So please do check out their shop on Amazon because all the wigs are about the same price, like $39. And this is one of the best synthetic units I've ever worn, ever, especially colorful. Like this is incredible. I want this color, this length, and everything like that in every single color. I want it. Like I want it so bad. Like this is so pretty. I'll go ahead and show you guys some different styles and such like that, but go ahead and please just click the link down below. Go check out Sapphire Wigs on Amazon. I hope you guys also, like I always say in every video, feel super free and encouraged to go out and try colors and just feel bold and feel free, feel beautiful and everything like that. And don't feel restricted to just do black hair, brown hair, blonde hair, whatever community society feels like you should be doing. I'm a man in a wig. Most people think that that's not okay. I'm also a man wearing makeup. I was wearing women's pants when I wore this look out and such like that. You know what I'm saying? But I don't really care. I feel beautiful. I feel confident. I feel sexy. I feel like myself, and I feel just happy. I'm not trying to be anything but myself, and you shouldn't be trying to do anything but be yourself as well. And I feel like colorful wigs is like just a good way to express yourself and just be more carefree and have fun and just like, I don't know, it just feels so riveting and stuff like that. I feel like riveting is the right word, like riveting or something. Oh, just like a lion and just real cute and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like I just live for this look so much. I just wanted to come give y'all some real tea or whatever. This hair is so bomb, like for real. There's got to be some like Brazilian Peruvian girl or something like that they like dipped in some orange and left her overnight or something, because this looks bomb. I want you guys to see it again because I was standing outside and I felt like, oh my gosh, my dog is like dragging me everywhere. But I just want you guys to see it like in the daylight and stuff like that, even though the sun is going down or whatever. But this is what the hair looks like. It looks so bomb, right? Like, bitch, it's lit, okay? Like, if you don't buy this, like if you don't get you some, like, then I don't know what you're doing with your life. I'm just saying. I don't even want to go inside, but I'm hungry. Like, with the light, like, I don't know what to do. Charlie out here just like, Daddy, can we go inside, please? Because I'm tired. I done peed and boo-booed already. I'm ready to go inside. I don't want to say boo-boo on camera, but he didn't pee and everything like that, so it's time to go inside. But this is the hair, you guys. Hope you guys did enjoy. And you can see the luster of it, how it moves and everything like that. I don't know if it makes sense to say that you can see it in oxygen and stuff and how it's reacting and stuff like that to the oxygen, but it's reacting well to the oxygen and stuff, so real cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me, and feel free to check out my other uploads. Check out, you know, whatever else you want to check out. Subscribe to my channel. Also, the makeup look for this video will either, the makeup look that I'm wearing now will either be up before this video or be up after this video. So go ahead and just stay tuned. Watch the other video. Check the description box because it's got all the little info, the little tea that you want spilled down below. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next upload. Bye, guys.